Welcome guys, in today's video we've got an iPhone 6s having only 72% of its battery life left, and we're going to do something about that in today's video. So first of all, as always, we use the blow dryer and unscrew the pentalobe screws at the bottom. This hasn't changed in all of the iPhones, even the newer ones still use those screws. We then just easily lift up the screen, unscrew the screws holding in place the thing that holds the connectors in place so they don't come out on their own. We then unclip all of these little connectors for the screen, the battery, and so on. And we will then also unscrew something at the bottom. Very nice. Now we are trying to get the adhesive out. That holds the battery in place, which worked like a charm. We now got the second one out. The battery is already bent. As we can see, we are going to do something with that in a future video, so stay tuned if you want to see something explode or being shot at. Now we only clean the surface on which the battery is going to be at. Here is very interesting. In the middle here you can see the Apple logo actually being inside of the phone. We then use some double-sided tape because we well, the battery didn't come with anything to hold it in place when putting it back in. So we then used a double-sided tape, which also works like a charm. Just make sure to use a very slim one, because otherwise it will be too thick for the display to stay in place. Now back to screwing everything in. You didn't see any of the screws going in, but we put them back in there. And now for the water resistance thing, coating. No, it's not a coating, it's a seal, right, for the water resistance seal around the corners, which didn't work so well because the phone is already a bit bent and doesn't look too good. Now we are going to see if the battery works, and it had a charge, so it does work, which is always a good sign. Now back to putting everything back in place, turning it on, seeing how many percent it has, just sticking a cable in there, and now we can see it's already at 100%, so it works like a charm. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.